made by Larindi. And there's a little Harry Potter topper that I'm going to put on as well, but that's a surprise. We'll see that just now. Okay, so I wanted to show you something that I had made. It's a cake topper. You can have anything made literally at this place. The lady's name is Alida and she's from Punankies in Bloemfontein. So I gave her a font, the Harry Potter font, and the wording and the size that I wanted, and she made the topper for me. This is made in black Perspex. Look how nicely she's packaged it for me as well. I'll show you what it looks like. Pull that out. Then any Perspex has got the plastic here at the front, so you just pull that off. And on this topper it says Happy Birthday Jonty in the Harry Potter font. I'm just going to tear it off, and you can have this made in any color. She made the most beautiful gold rose gold topper for us a few days back. Okay, so you can probably not read this because it's in reverse. There you go. So I'm going to place this. When you do a drip, before your chocolate gets too hard, you need to put in, if you're going to put a topper in, or if you've got something that needs to go into the cake, you need to do that before the chocolate goes hard. Alright, so let's see where we're going to place this. I think we'll put this over here. Just place that into the cake. There you go. Okay, looks cool. Right, and then I've got a little Harry Potter dude. I'm going to make his arms now. So we've made this with a thick wire, but you'll always cover the wire with a florist tape. You can never put wire into a cake or something that's going to be eaten. It's not very hygienic. So I've covered the wire with florist tape. And I think I want to put little Harry over here. Just press that into the cake. You can have these little cake toppers made by us as well. We sell them individually or loosely. If you want to make the cake and you want something you know, like a topper like Harry, you can get that from us as well. Alright, so let's see what else we've got here. Got the hat. Okay, so I want to see if you want to stick your laser topper out a bit more so that the name doesn't disappear behind anything. You can do that. Yeah, it's good for you to always like make the stuff beforehand, and then you can place it around the cake like you know, and you'll see what it looks like. You can decide, okay, I want this. If you want to change it, you can do that. Your original design doesn't always have to stay the same. Just go with the flow. So yeah, I'm going to move Harry over here so that it's beside Jonty's name. Let's move the cake topper a bit. Before you put anything down, for sure, you can still move it around. Okay, let's see. We're going to put this Quidditch thingy, we'll put over here. So we can put that on the cake board with some of the leftover ganache. I'll place it over here. Right. We can put the glasses maybe there, the wand, maybe move it back a bit. And then of course the broom, Harry's broom, should be here by him. And then we need some space on here for the sushi. So let's just go wild with the sushi. He loves sushi. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna stick this all with the ganache so that it stays. That ball thingy is already stuck. Let's do the glasses. So I've placed everything around. If I like the design, then I can stick it all on. Oh, I messed up the cake there, so it's fine. I'm just gonna disguise it with the toppers. That happens a lot. Right. Sushi. Okay. Make sure you stick everything, eh? Don't forget something, and then when you pick up the cake it rolls off. There's wand. Alright, so there you go, and only thing left to do now is to repair Harry's arms that fell off. Yeah, I'm not supposed to say that it can happen, but it can happen. It was stuck a bit too much into the dummy where it needed to rest, and I pulled it out too hard and the arms fell off. So I'll show you how to do that next. And then our cake's done. Right, so just move this out of the way. So these are the little hands that Lorini made. So I'm just going to stick them onto Harry's body. And the thing that I want to share with you, top secrets, is that the best glue you can ever use with anything edible, in this case with sugar, preferably with sugar, is chocolate. So not chocolate ganache, normal chocolate. You just melt it and then choose the color that you want. Color it. I've got some red chocolate here. Place some of that onto the red part over there. And I'm going to stick it onto Harry's body. Let's see. And it's going to stick and stay there almost immediately. I hope it stays. Right. So there you go. There's his left arm. And then the right arm, just put some chocolate in that part. You want to put the same color on, otherwise you're going to see that it's been fixed. Just place on his right arm. See how quick that is? Best glue ever. And then you can just smooth it out so you don't see that it's been fixed. Alright, so there you go. There's your Harry Potter cake. I hope you guys love it. I'm going to show you. So this is the second part. So the third part is where we're going to cut it. So then you'll see what it looks like on the inside. You'll see how yummy it is. Unfortunately, you're not going to taste it. We are going to taste it. We're going to eat everything. So I hope that you liked the tutorial. If there's anything else that you know you've got questions about, please just pop me a message, and I'll get back to you on that. All right. Thank you, guys.